The number of coronavirus cases growing across the country and here in California. Placer County announcing its first confirmed case this afternoon. Glad you're with us tonight at 6 o'clock. I'm Nikki Lorenzo.
And I'm Eric Harriman. That new case in Placer County is a healthcare worker who tested positive after having some close contact with a patient in Solano County. Health officials are still stressing that the risk for the general public is still very low. Fox 40's Doug Johnson live for us tonight in Roseville with what we know. Doug.
Yeah, well, coronavirus is here in Placer County, but health officials say it's no reason to panic. Several dozen people who were aboard the Diamond Princess cruise lines in Japan were released from Travis Air Force Base this morning, finishing up their 2-week quarantine on base. Some were taken in buses, allowed to fly out of SMF after it was determined they did not have the coronavirus.
Beautiful negative from CDC. Yeah.
It's been a long time. When I expected to be home February 4th, and this is March 2nd.
Most told Fox 40 as they left this morning, while the experience was inconvenient, employees on the cruise made things easy.
They did such a great job taking care of us. If we needed medications, they were able to get it for us, and a lot of us didn't plan on, needing an extra 2 weeks, or what turned out being 4 weeks. So
now they're happy to be healthy and heading home.
Elated.
We have an update on novel coronavirus here in Placer County.
Meanwhile, someone who lives in Placer County has now tested positive for the novel coronavirus, the first case in that county.
I want to be clear that this case does not represent local community transmission. This case is a healthcare worker with close contact to a confirmed case.
County health officials say the person is an employee at North Bay Vaca Valley Hospital in Vacaville. And they say at one point in time, he or she has had close contact with a person with a confirmed case in Solano County, the same person who was the first community transmission in the United States, who is now being treated at UC Davis Medical Center in Sacramento.
The case lives in Placer County and works in Solano County.
The Placer County patient is currently isolated at home with mild symptoms, as are their immediate family members, all of whom in self-quarantine. But county officials would not say how many family members there are.
There are no other people coming and going from the home. We will have public health nurses visiting to do testing, but we aren't at that stage in the process yet.
Now, while health officials here in Placer County say there is no reason for the general public to be too alarmed, they do want to stress that while this is the first case, there is a pretty good chance it won't be the last case. So again, they do want to let people know that you just need to keep washing your hands and remaining safe. Reporting live in Placer County tonight, Doug Johnson, Fox 40 News.
Doug, thank you. Governor Newsom is now